Struggling to find the right channel or start a voice call in Discord? Master text, voice, and DMs in under 5 minutes. Now, we are going to cover text channels, DMs, voice channels, and direct calls. Follow along as I walk through each step on the desktop app. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Friends page. This is your home base in Discord, and it is the easiest way to start everything we are about to do. Go ahead and click on that. From here, we are going to find a server. You will see it listed on the left-hand side. Just give that a click. Once you are inside the server, look for the text channel labeled General. It should have a hashtag symbol next to it. Click on that. Now, move your mouse down to the message area at the bottom of the screen. This is the highlight area where you type. Click right there in the text box. Go ahead and type something simple, like a quick hello. Just a quick test message so you can see how it works. And then, just to reset, click on the General channel again. This brings you back to the overview. All right, let's talk about text channels for a moment. These are the backbone of text chat in Discord. You will notice each text channel is marked with that hashtag symbol. They're basically dedicated rooms for specific topics. In the AI Mastery server, the General channel is where most conversation happens. You can click any of these channels to read what people have said, type your own message, attach a file, or send emojis. This is the main way you communicate with a community. So now, go back to that message area and start typing. As you type, you will see a little plus sign on the left side of the text box. That is the attachment button. Click it, and you can drag in a photo, a document, or pretty much any file. It is super straightforward. And here is the fun part. Next to the attachment button, you will see a smiley face. That is the emoji picker. Click that, and you can scroll through thousands of emojis, or even use custom emojis if the server has them. It adds a lot of personality to your messages. Now, let us shift focus to direct messages. DMs are your private conversations. To send one, go back to your friends list. Find someone you want to message, and click their name. You should see a small chat icon. Hit that, and you are now in a private conversation. From here, you can type and send messages just like in a text channel, but no one else in the server can see it. It is just between you and that person. You can also start a group chat. This is great for conversations with a small group of friends. In your friends list, look for the icon that looks like a speech bubble with a plus sign. Click that. Then you can select up to 10 people to invite. Give the group a name, and you are all set. All right, now let's talk about something really cool. So, voice channels also have a built-in text chat that you can use while you are talking. First, scroll down to the voice channels section of the server. Click any voice channel to join it. You do not need to call anyone. Just click and you are connected. Once you are in the voice channel, look in the top right corner of your screen. You will see a speech bubble icon. Click that to open the text chat. Now you can type messages that everyone in the voice channel can see. This is perfect for sharing links or quick notes without interrupting the conversation. And here is a neat trick. You can type a /TTS followed by a space and then your message. TTS stands for text-to-speech. When you hit enter, Discord will read your message aloud to everyone in the channel. It's a fun way to get everyone's attention. Now, let's cover the rest of voice channels. When you're in a voice channel, you will see a control bar at the bottom. This shows your microphone, speakers, and settings. You can mute yourself, adjust your volume, and even change your input device. It is pretty self-explanatory. For a more private conversation, you can start a direct call. Go to a friend's DM screen. At the top, you will see a small phone icon. Click that to start a voice call. If you want video, there is a video camera icon right next to it. Click that, and you will start a video call. It is just like a phone call, but inside Discord. So, to recap, you have text channels for public chat, DMs for private messages, voice channels for hanging out, and direct calls for one-on-one conversations. And remember, the AI Mastery Guide has all of this information, backed by official Discord support articles so you know it is accurate. That is really all there is to it. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy chatting.